A law more than a century and a half old has been causing some legal issues for York County business that specializes in the occult. Fox 43's Brian Tegg tells us about the Civil War era law and the people fighting to have it taken off the books.
Tarot card readings and fortune telling may seem innocent to some, but in Pennsylvania, they could be illegal.
There's a law against it. And as we did research, we found out that there was a person in Pennsylvania who was targeted in a community by law enforcement over this particular law.
That person is Beck Ravenswood, the owner of Serpent's Key Shop and Sanctuary in Hanover, who has been caught up in a legal battle since 2023, fighting against the law that has been in effect since 1861.
The 21st century is not lacking in witch trials, I think we can be safe to say.
And the fight is starting to heat up.
Finally, I get the day, or tentative date, for my witch trial, as I'm so coining it, which of course is tongue-in-cheek, but at the same time, it is kind of what we are dealing with right now. There is kind of this need to address, hey, this law is on the books.
The Seven of Wands says,
While Ravenswood has been engaged in a lawsuit against the 19th century law that outlaws for-profit fortune telling with cards, stars, and a host of other supposed mystical practices, State Representative Greg Scott has introduced House Bill 1562 that would repeal the Civil War era ban.
So the original law has an explicit ban against all of those things, and it classifies it as a misdemeanor third degree. This bill that we have in its current form currently repeals the entirety of that section of the law.
As more attention is drawn to the arcane laws, Ravenswood hopes that one way or another, the issue will be resolved.
While it would mean that like my lawsuit didn't matter, I'm fine with either legislation or judgment from the court overturning this law, because it's not about who did it, it's about it getting done.
And the future
seems murky.
Will be more certain.
I just want to support people and meet people where they're at, so they can grow in their spirituality in the direction and the way that they see fit.
Brian Tegg, Fox 43 News.